Associate Professor of Anatomy, Medical College, King Abdulaziz University. Now I'm going to show you the dissection of the back of the thigh, which is called hamstring group of muscles. We are now, the cadaver is in a prone position, okay? So we are going to start from lateral to medial. The first muscle to see here is the biceps femoris muscle. And biceps femoris muscle is the most lateral in the hamstring group. And it is formed of long head and short head. So this is the short head and this is the long head of biceps femoris. short head طالع من الفيمر. اللونج head of biceps femoris طالع من الاسكال tuberosity زي مجموعة الهامسترينج. The second one from lateral is the semitendinosus. Semitendinosus again ischial tuberosity. شوفي نفس المصدر من فوق لها long tendon طويل عشان تروح في منطقة الاس جي اس ولها لحمة كبيرة. بعد السيميتندينوزس semimembranosus, and we can see here half of this muscle is membrane and the remaining is muscle. That's why it's called semimembranosus. So semimembranosus, semitendinosus. And also we can see here the adductor magnus, hamstring portion of adductor magnus. This one. Okay? Now let us talk about the popliteal fossa. أنا عملت تشريح